what do you think the post-lockdown world will look like? And what do you think about work from home? Do you think that's going to become a norm?
It's all about the moves, baby.
Okay, let me quickly move on to the next question before people get bored. What are the new skills you are acquiring?
Chess. It's all about the moves, baby.
Aha.
And different sorts of moves, not the dance moves for a change.
Right. Good, that's great. And also cooking, right? I know you've been baking
Yes.
quite a bit and learning
Yes.
to make traditional Indian food.
Yeah, so I quite enjoy different sort of culinary experiences. Like I really enjoy making things which are fancy or things that are really healthy. But mom insists on me learning to make the basics. So I'm just trying to polish and practice my basics.
Good job.
Get a roti in a round form instead of looking like the Atlas, and learn how to make sabzi properly with the right amount of salt. Yeah, things like that.
Amazing. Yes. Okay, so what is your biggest fear or worry? It could be right now or in life in general.
I'm not really that scared of anything. I mean, yes, we are living in difficult times, but I guess we are very fortunate and we should just feel very grateful. Gratitude for being home, and a lot of gratitude for all the frontline workers for being right there, risking and jeopardizing their lives for us while we are sitting at home and trying to develop new skill. I mean, it really takes a lot. And I'm not really scared. I mean, I know this is going to be difficult for all of us, but like I said, we're all in this together. So we just got to face it.
True.
What about you?
Absolutely. Again, I don't think I'm really fearful of anything as such, and especially during this time. I think it's more anxiety that sets in sometimes because of what you read or because someone you know is going through something, and you know it's just anxiety and a bit worrisome when you actually know someone going through something that's really disheartening. So
or you hear that the number of cases in your area has increased. That is a little scary. But
and you hear something like the watchman contracted it, and that's how it reached someone's house, and you feel like, how am I responsible? I've been sitting at home, through this whole entire lockdown, which is probably going to continue longer than the date announced. So, especially since Mumbai has become a hotspot. So you just feel, I guess it's just anxiety which comes and goes, but I guess meditation helps a lot. Having a routine helps, and being productive.
And also, guys, I feel compassion goes a very long way. So if whatever you can do to help your people working for you, people around you, just spending some time with the elders in the house, I think all that really goes a long way, because it's not just about us getting frustrated sitting at home, but there's also a bigger picture, and it's more about comfort as well as a symbiotic relationship which just begins in your house.
Correct. So guys, I have to share with you all, there's something that Kajal did, and I guess it was such a matter of fact for her to do that, and she doesn't even know what I'm talking about right now. But I thought
First
it
tell
was
me.
really, really adorable and very touching in a way. So we have neighbors in our building who are old. So she actually called them up and said, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to call me. And it was so sweet that they took her seriously, and they called her and said, we need vegetables and we need this and we need that, because I guess the way she actually spoke to them, she meant it. So I thought that was adorable and really, really sweet of her.
Oh, thank you, but you do exactly the same. Thank you, Baini, but you do exactly the same thing. So, well, I guess it's just about looking out for one another, and I hope everyone's doing that.
Absolutely. Okay, let me move to the next question. Most entertaining show that you have watched thus far?
I saw a few episodes of Fauda, and I really like it. Yeah, it's really cool. Money Heist. I haven't finished the last season yet, but I've seen a couple of episodes. Interesting. I saw this Korean show called Crash Landing on You. And guys, I was addicted. It is one of the cutest shows. Please watch it. It's adorable. I saw that. I saw quite a few films on this network called Mubi. I saw this other show called Kim's Convenience. Again, it's fun. It's entertaining. And I'm looking forward to my cousin sister Ruchi recommended this show called Shitty Creeks.
What is
Which
that about?
I don't quite know, but she is strongly recommending it. So maybe that's going to be my next.
Okay, great. Sounds good. But
Yeah.
Money Heist. Money Heist is really addictive, guys. If y'all are looking for something to watch and haven't watched it, please watch it. Karan and
Even Crash Landing on You.
Yeah, but Crash Landing on You is a bit girlish, and if you're looking, I guess now I think about everything because Karan and I watch TV together, and we don't have separate TV time anymore.
Yeah.
And we have TV time only when Ishan is sleeping. So, yeah, I think.
Fauda's a great show as well.
Yeah, I didn't take. Maybe I need to watch a few more episodes of Fauda to kind of get to like it more. Another good show is The Grand Hotel. It's Spanish.
Oh, is it?
It's
Okay.
really nice. Watch it if you have the time.
I will.
But let me get to the next question. Book recommendation. Any one we should be reading right now?
So I like to read about 3 or 4 books simultaneously, and I'm rereading an old favorite called Forest of Enchantments, which I love, and I was reading that because I was watching Ramayana all over again. And I'm reading this other book called 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Very interesting book. It's fiction, and I gotta still finish it. I'm just a few pages down, but it's a great read.
Perfect. Nice. So that's the recommendation for us. Everyone who's joined in right now, a very big hello to all of y'all.
Hi guys. Also, there are many. Wait, let me just give some more recommendations on books.
Okay,
Let me
great.
show you all what I have here. Please don't judge. So there's this book called Milkman by Anna Burns. There are some books up there, but I don't think any of those. John Le Carre is a great author. So I have his series. Beekeeper of Aleppo. Fabulous book. Yeah. That should be good for now. Try
Great.
catching one of these.
Thank you. Okay, next. Best meal you have had so far? Through the lockdown. Everything is through the lockdown.
Best meal. I think that would be Dan Dan noodles that mom made.
Yummy. Sounds exotic.
So good. So good. Oh my god. Yes, I wanted to step away from the regular dal chawal sabzi. So, and I wanted to do something fun. She
Oh my
made the
God,
noodles
I'm
from
missing
scratch.
home now. I
Come.
wish I could drop by. Okay.
So now,
Yes, absolutely. So there's this question which came up a couple of times when I did a Q&A with my audience, with my following. And that was, what are your home hair care and skincare remedies? Because I know you do a lot of it, especially hair care.
so okay, so I swear by coconut oil. Okay, I use coconut oil for on my face, on my hair, on my body. I drink it, I cook in it, of course different bottles, and I gargle with coconut oil every morning. That's called oil pulling. I think that's too much information.
Yes.
Pre-brushing and so I swear by coconut oil, and I think a great moisturizing concoction for your hair would be 2 spoons of coconut oil with 2 spoons of ghee. It stinks, but it is so good for you. It is so good for your scalp. It is so good for your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then go rinse it. Shampoo, condition as usual. I also swear by okay, don't get grossed out guys, but onion juice.
Yeah, it's supposed to
Really-
be fantastic for
Really
hair.
good for you. And I mix 2 capsules of vitamin C. I cut it and I put it in the onion
Vitamin E.
juice.
E,
Oh,
right?
vitamin E. Sorry, vitamin E. Yeah, sorry. That's what I meant. Vitamin E.
Yeah.
And I also put 2 spoons of coconut oil in that.
Nice. Good, good. So, like I told you all before, Kajal loves all these hair remedies and putting yogurt and egg and coconut oil and ghee in
Yeah,
it.
when I want a hair mask, I use yogurt with methi seeds soaked overnight, and I blend it in together and mix 1 spoon of honey, and I put it all around, so all over the hair, the strands of hair, the length of
Right.
the hair from all the way to the tip, and I leave that on for about again 15 minutes, and I shampoo condition.
Yeah.
So guys, I don't get time to do this regularly. So right now I am fully
It's our
pampering
only
myself.
opportunity.
Do it all.
Yeah. Make the most of it.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about skincare? What? Coconut oil.
Coconut oil. I put a little haldi. I drink haldi. I put it all over my skin as well. Haldi with honey and coconut oil is a good concoction, but it depends on what kind of skin you have. So I wouldn't want to just randomly give skin tips. It's really simple actually. So I just use stuff that I eat on my face. I use dahi on my skin mixed with nimbu. If I'm eating a papaya, a little bit of it goes on my face.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yes, I pulp it and put it like a mask. So I'm not really fussy about it, but just keep it basic and natural. That's the funda.
Nice. Okay. What do you intend to do as soon as the lockdown is over?
Go back to work. I have never missed my film set so much, ever before.
All right.
Like, I am dying to go to work.
I think you work 345 days a year, right?
Which is true. And when I'm working, I'm always so homesick, and like I'm like, oh my god, even if I get a day off, I want to go home, I want to meet my family, I want some time off, I want to meet my friends. But I think I've had more than enough of all this. And even though I love spending time with family and friends, I want to go back to work. I guess the grass is always green on the other side.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Always. You're so
What about you? Answer the same. What do you want to do as soon as it's over?
I think I want to come and meet my parents and my sister and my grandmother and give them
Right
all one
answer.
big hug.
Full marks.
Yes, that's definitely what I want to do.
And I want to hug Ishan,
I'm
my
sure.
baby.